In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a QR code for a GoDaddy domain. If you want to make it easier for people to visit your website, without typing in the full web address, creating a QR code is a simple and effective solution. A QR code can be shared on printed materials, social media, presentations, product packaging, or anywhere you want people to scan and instantly open your site. To begin, go to your website and make sure you have the correct domain link ready. This is important because the QR code will send people directly to that exact web page or home page, so you'll want to double check that the address is correct before moving forward. If needed, copy the full website URL so it's easy to paste in the next step. Next, open your browser and enter qrcodemonkey.com. Once the site loads, click on it to open the QR code generator. This platform is commonly used to create QR codes quickly, and it gives you a straightforward way to turn your website link into something people can scan with their phones. After you're on the website, find the option that says Create QR Code and click it. This is the step where the website begins generating your code based on the link you provide. In the field provided, enter the link for your GoDaddy domain. Be careful to paste or type the full and correct domain address, because even a small typo can cause the QR code to lead to the wrong destination or not work at all. Once your GoDaddy domain link has been entered, let the site generate the QR code. You should see a preview appear on the screen. Before downloading, it's a good idea to quickly review what you entered and make sure everything looks right. A quick check now can save time later, especially if you plan to print the QR code or use it in marketing materials. When you're done, click Download PNG. This will save the QR code as an image file to your device, making it easy to upload, print or share wherever you need it. PNG is a useful format because it works well for both digital use and most basic design or document needs. And that's it. You've successfully created a QR code for your GoDaddy domain. After downloading it, make sure to test it with your phone's camera or a QR scanner to confirm it opens the correct website. That final check helps ensure everything works smoothly before you share it with others.